Rotarian Dr. Frederick John's story is a true example of what one can achieve by simply following the ideals of hard work and dedication. From not having the money to ride a bus to school to driving a Benz to work, his is a story of dedicated accomplishment. Dr. Fred is a visionary leader who loves to be in the company of people who love success. Role model by nature, friend to many, avid traveler, biker, adventure lover. Having already scaled 3 peaks in the Himalayas, he has topped it off by summiting Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania at 19,341 feet. Harley-Davidson fanatic, Ferrari freak, and Manchester United follower. His wife, Rotarian Rima Fredericks, a postgraduate teaching assistant at Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, ably supports him in all his endeavors. He is father of 2 young ladies, Ria Fredericks and Leah Fredericks. He is an academic doctor specializing in human resource management and Harvard Business School executive education alumni. His classification is under Service Delivery Operations in the ITES industry. He is Director, Executive Vice President and Site Head at Personev, Coimbatore, a US-based BPO organization that offers finance and accounting, back office, customer care, and digital services. He is a result-driven, end-to-end, multi-level, multi-location, contact center operations professional with skills in improving process, managing risk, quality control, and team engagement directives. Strategic planning for process integration, migration, MIS, and revenue management, resulting in workable solutions and benchmark for performance against key operation objectives are his strengths. Expertise in quality assurance with the proven track record of delivering optimal results in a high-growth environment is his forte. All this from his humble beginning yet lofty aspirations. Dr. Fred was an acer at school and his leadership qualities shone right through his childhood. His passion to excel in whatever he did landed him numerous awards year after year. He was the first student to represent St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Kuno, at the National Cadet Corps Republic Day Parade at New Delhi in the year 1990. Subsequently, he served as the school captain for 3 years. At St. Joseph's College, Trichy, while graduating as a gold medalist, Dr. Fred excelled in co-curricular activities too. As secretary of the Fine Arts team of the college during 1995 to 1996, his team won first places for the first time in 54 years of the competition at the Bharathidasan University Intercollegiate Cultural Championship. Dr. Fred has several awards by various organizations to his credit. He has been awarded by presidents of 2 countries so far. One was our very own late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for academic excellence, and the other was the former president of Sri Lanka, His Excellency Maithripala Sirisena, for best use of CSR practice in community development. Dr. Fred sparked off what is now a huge organizational movement, the Personev Being Human initiative in October 2010. Every employee in his organization is part of his initiative, and across the globe, Personev employees reach out to their communities every month. With the blessings of his CEO, David Lesniak, also a Harvard Business School alumni, his pet project commissioning of solar power plants at old age and orphan children's homes has caught on like wildfire because of his sustainability and potential of giving back for at least 25 years to the beneficiaries. Personev has 12 solar power plant installations spread across India and Philippines. Closer home. Personev executes close to 20 smaller projects a year, reaching out to the community and helping the less privileged realize their dreams. He founded and presently mentors the Rotaract Club of Personev, the first corporate Rotaract club in Rotary District 3201. In recognition of all this work, Rotary International honored him with the CSR Excellence Award for 2019, and Dr. Fred accepted the award from Rotary International Foundation Trustee Chair Gary Huang. Dr. Fred joined Rotary in the year 2017. He has served as Sergeant at Arms during 2018 to 2019 and Vice President during 2019 to 2020. He is active in various projects executed by his club. He is a multiple Paul Harris Fellow and member of the prestigious Paul Harris Society. Dr. Fritz's ambition is to continue paying it forward and be an enabler for the lesser privileged. It is only appropriate that he takes up the responsibility of guiding his Rotary Club of Coimbatore Green City through the coming year. As he always says, everything is possible.